You know what sucks? It's Christmas time, and you want to go shopping, buy yourself something nice, get ready for Christmas, whatever. Then the unexpected happens. Like something starts going wrong with your car. Like, God, hold on. What the hell is that? Lord have mercy. I hope it ain't nothing major wrong with it. I'm thinking it's a water pump. Hopefully that's all. That's like an easy fix. But just why though? Why? Just why? The truck was fine for the longest, no problems. Christmas time, it starts this. Shit.